Welcome back to CU Theme Basic Training, Module 6. In this video, we're going to focus on the Spotlight block and how you can use it to improve content interaction on your home page. The Spotlight block looks like this, and it's a great way to highlight content on your home page. As its name suggests, it makes the content pop on the page, providing visitors with an eye-catching visual and area for them to interact with the content. Let's go through an example of how to include Spotlight content on your home page. To start, make sure you're on your home page and then click Edit Page. From here, you're going to need to scroll down to the area where you'd like to insert the Spotlight content and then find it in the block menu. Once you've inserted it onto your page, it's fairly simple to edit. You can start by adding a title. For example, we'll just use the title Quick Links. Then, try clicking on the section you'd like to edit. Here, you can add a title for your content, which for now, I'll just put as Test 1, Test 2, and Test 3. You can also add a description for each piece, just giving a brief introduction as to what it's going to be about. These descriptions don't have a character limit, and as you can see, the blocks will expand to accommodate for the text you've entered. It's best to keep these short and approximately the same length. You also have the ability to add an image, which you can select from your media library or upload something new. To do this, click on Choose Image. Now that you've added an image, you now have the option to add a link, which is the main function of Spotlight content. To add a link, just click on the Insert Link button and enter the link. If the page you are linking to is on part of your website, you can select that page from the drop-down menu that appears while you're typing. To add a row, press this plus sign on the right. To move the rows, you can use these arrow buttons. Lastly, to delete a row, you can press on the trash icon. Let's save it and look at it on the front end. If we scroll down to the bottom, we can see our new Spotlight content block. Spotlight content is a visually appealing and effective way to promote important content and is a great addition to any homepage.